The current standard techniques for detection of the brain injury is mainly relying on the imaging techniques, including CT scan. And there are also lots of questionnaires, particularly for concussion, to know whether you have concussion or not, or what level of brain injury you have. So we are missing kind of more quantitative analysis of the brain injury, right? Traumatic brain injury. So this device is actually we developed that is helping us for analyzing your blood, because blood itself is one of the biomarker that you can use the blood for detection of the biomarkers. So when you hit your head and you have injury your brain, some protein and molecule they're shedding into the blood, and these molecule, their concentration changes. We are able to use this device for detection of those protein. It would be a better way of moving from more qualitative presentation of the injury to more quantitative way of presentation.
This project wouldn't have happened if it hadn't been an initiative of the university, so of Elizabeth Cannon, of Dr. Keith Yates, of the Integrated Concussion Research Program, to bring individuals together from different types of research. Right now, the project that Amir and I are collaborating on is through the University of Calgary Kinesiology Program and the varsity athletes. So all these athletes, prior to their season starting, will get samples collected, saliva, urine, blood, and then they get a clinical assessment done. Those samples are banked, and then we follow them throughout their season. And then if they hit their head or they have any other type of injury, like a knee injury or whatever, we collect the samples again. And we do so sequentially over a period of time. And then when they're recovered, we collect the samples again, and they're banked. We pick biomarkers that currently are being used or have a suggestion of determining whether you've had a head injury or not, to see if they've changed or not. So we're truly at it's a very much a basic science research project at the moment, but that's how it's being used.
It's going to be able to give the training staff, the doctors, coaching staff, the ability to make some clear decisions on the athlete. Basically within an hour or 2 hours, they were saying, of being able to test the concussion. So you're going to have your symptoms, they're going to hold you out. Instead of holding you out maybe for 2 weeks, you're held out for a day because it wasn't an actual concussion. You just got a good hit in the head. So if you can figure out how your brain's going and what's going with your body sooner, faster, you're going to be able to get back on the field, or whatever sport or accident you're in, whatever happened to you, get back in and keep going.